To crossfade your audio in Reaper, what you'll want to do is simply drag your audio clip onto another audio clip, and as you can see, by default, Reaper will start to crossfade these two audio clips. And now you can also move this portion right here, and you'll have control of which exact part you want to crossfade. But even though that's the quickest, easiest method, if you want to have more control, the other method I like to use is putting them in two separate tracks. So you put your two clips in separate tracks, and you can fade out the first track and you can fade in the second track, and you'll have more control over the crossfade because you can adjust like how long the fade in effect is and how long is the fade out effect on the first track. So in the end, you'll end up with something like this. This order doesn't really make much sense, but for the sake of giving a sample, I'll play it. Two tracks, and this is the second track that we are. And that's it. That's all there is to it.